My name is Mike McDonough. I have been with county for 3.5 years or so. I am currently a yard foreman. Basically manage the yard crew, detailing panels, wall panels, loading loads for shipment. And then I spend probably a third of my day scheduling haul cores still as well. Generally start early and get done a little earlier in the afternoon so I can get home in time to spend a little more time with the family. The thing I like best about working at county is the interaction with the people here. Everybody's very nice, friendly to work with. I have a master's degree in education, so I use a lot of the stuff I learned in that prior career that I can now apply here as well. I think the people at county are great to work with and friendly because I think for the most part that starts at the top and kind of works its way down. You should be supportive of everybody. That's how you're going to get the most out of people. So